I'm Alexis Lipstein, and I love science. Today, I would like to teach you all about non-Newtonian fluids, such as cornstarch and water. So before talking about what a non-Newtonian fluid is, let's talk about what a Newtonian fluid is. Basically, what a Newtonian fluid is a fluid that has a constant viscosity no matter the amount of stress you put on it. However, this is not the case for cornstarch and water, as it is a non-Newtonian fluid. The more stress you put on it, it actually becomes more viscous and acts more like a solid, which explains why in the beginning of the video you were able to see me punching it. See, my hand does not go through when I put that amount of stress on the fluid, but you can see it moves around like a liquid, and if I put my hand in slowly, minimizing the stress, it'll go in and sink just like it would in a normal fluid.
Is outside of the bottle.
Good? Yeah. So for ketchup, when it's in a bottle, not being stressed, it is called a soft solid, which is basically, it is a liquid, but it is so viscous that it will act as a solid, which is why it's sometimes really hard to get it out of the bottle. But when you add stress, it will try to get away from the thing that is putting stress on it, which is why it'll act more as a liquid, because it is trying to move to an area of low stress. Okay. See, here it's acting like a solid. If I hit it, it's more like a liquid. Shake it. And here it gets really liquidy. This is such a mess. You see, in a ketchup bottle, typically you try to get the ketchup out, doesn't really work, but you hit it a couple times, you squeeze the bottle, you're adding more stress, and in turn the liquid will get more liquidy or less viscous and will come out of the bottle. So this is the opposite of that. You can see I can kind of pick it up like it's a ball, but then immediately, once I let go of any stress, it will turn back into a liquid and start dripping off of my hands. So that is our 3-minute lesson about non-Newtonian fluids.